So far, this is the update. I just did an ab workout right there with my yoga mat, but yeah, that's why the table's moved. And yeah. Not much progress. And it's the end of the day. Almost.
I did.
Okay guys, so barely making progress. She came to help me take some kitchen stuff. Carrie and Eve helping me. Okay, giving away my dog gate now. Okay guys, so update. This is where we are right now. Got some garment boxes and took some of my clothes, actually almost all of them out, which is amazing. And I'm not sure if I want to take my shoe boxes anymore, but I might, I don't know. This is me halfway packed for my weekend trip and then my trip to New York City for 2 weeks after. That's my puppy going crazy. She wants to come pack with us, but she's just too much work right now. I just created like a thing over here for my little princess, and I don't want to destroy my bed. And yeah, all my stuff is out from the bathroom. This was so full. Yeah. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave some stuff to shower with tonight because I'm leaving tomorrow morning. And yeah, I'm so happy with the progress so far. I gave away a lot of things to my friend. Yeah. Yeah, I put some pillows in there. I'm actually vlogging like a move out vlog, so. Okay guys, so I can't believe it, but we're almost done. This is what it looks like right now. Carrie came and took my luggage, I mean the rug. So it looks pretty empty right now, which is so cool. Please don't look at me. Okay guys, so we just got done packing. Yay! We are moving out. Bye-bye, 5:29. You will be missed, kinda not, because I'm moving into a nicer apartment. Woohoo! As you can hear from my voice, I'm super tired because it's past midnight, as you can see. And yeah, super excited for my 3 weeks long trip. So we just checked into a hotel for the next few hours so I can shower and have a good night's sleep before my flight tomorrow. super exciting. And I'm in love with my puppy. Love you, Eve. Love you. Eve, what are you doing?